In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix export problems in CapCut PC, whether your export is stuck, keeps failing, or just won't start at all. These issues can be truly frustrating, so today we're going to walk through some practical solutions to get your videos exporting smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about storage. It's crucial to ensure that you have enough storage space on your computer. If your drive is nearly full, CapCut won't have the necessary room to save or render the video you're trying to export. This can lead to incomplete exports or failures. What you can do is free up some space by deleting unwanted files or transferring them to an external hard drive. Alternatively, try exporting your video to a different folder or drive with more available space. Providing CapCut with a bit of breathing room should help get things moving again. If your export continues to fail, you might also want to consider lowering the export settings. To do this, head over to the export options and try changing the quality from 4K to 1080p or even 720p. Sometimes our computers struggle with high-resolution videos, especially if they're packed with effects or are particularly long. By lowering the resolution, you're asking your system to do less heavy lifting, which can translate into a more successful export process. Another method involves clearing your CapCut cache. Temporary files can build up over time and occasionally cause hiccups during the export process. Open CapCut, then click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. From there, navigate to Settings and select Clear Cache. This simple action will remove those temporary files and could very well fix any hiccups you're experiencing during export. Lastly, always ensure that your CapCut PC application is up to date. Older versions of software often have bugs or compatibility issues that can affect functionality, including exporting. Visit the CapCut website or go to the Microsoft Store to see if there are any available updates. If there are, download and install the latest version. Staying up to date with your software helps ensure that you have the latest fixes and improvements, potentially resolving any export issues you're encountering. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you fix any export problems you're dealing with in CapCut PC. These methods should cover most situations, but always feel free to reach out with more specific questions. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.